Now we're going to add a second vanishing point, creating 2-point perspective. One vanishing point, two vanishing points equals 2-point perspective. This time, instead of drawing the vertical and horizontal of the box, we're going to start with just the vertical. That represents height. And now we take the top and bottom of that height line and connect it back to both vanishing points. In 2-point perspective, we create height with vertical, width, and depth by going to vanishing points. And so it's as if we've turned our box 90 degrees so that we can see the corner of the box instead of the flat side of the box. Okay, we're going to draw a couple more of these, but again, I'm erasing the excess converging lines here so that we can see this box or this cube sitting in front of us. Let's start with a clean canvas. So I've created a new layer. I'm going to make a box that's floating above the horizon line. Vertical line representing height. Now I take the top of that vertical and the bottom of that vertical and connect it to each of the two vanishing points. I need to add 2 more vertical lines in between the converging lines to show the back corners of the box. And now I'm going to take the bottoms of those vertical lines and connect them to the opposite vanishing points. This allows us to see the underside of the box. Okay, so once again, this box looks like it's floating above the horizon. We can see underneath it. These lines represent height, width, and depth. Vertical lines are height. Our diagonal lines, or converging lines, represent width, and they represent depth. Okay, so all 3 of those dimensions are still there. It's important to remember in 2-point perspective that only the vertical lines are parallel with each other. All non-vertical lines should go to vanishing points, should converge with each other.